So on the first day of my work placement, I helped to shadow personal training sessions. So this involved following a fitness instructor around with their client during their session. I found it was very useful for me because I picked up on certain methods of coaching which I could use in different modules of my BTEC course. So shadowing inductions was also similar to personal training, which I also did on the first day. But not only this, I learned some administration. So for example, I looked at the consent forms and the PARQs which were used within the company. So this helped to ensure that all the clients would be familiar with the health risks which they may not know about, and all the rules about the gym and how to use certain equipment. I was also given an induction on how to use and which chemicals to use on the gym equipment. So on the second day, I would be able to use them. So the first thing I did on the second day was I used the chemicals that I'd been taught how to use, and I went and cleaned the gym. So this was good. So all the clients were using the equipment and it was all clean, and it had also been tested by me as well. I also learned how to maintain and control the sauna and the steam rooms. So this was important as clients who were using the steam room may want it at a certain temperature, so I would be able to go and control it for them. And also it was important that we kept the sauna at the correct temperature. I also cleaned the changing rooms on the second day, and I helped to create promotional social media posts on Facebook and on Twitter for competitions that were running throughout the week. On the third day, I helped with the stock rotation of the shop. So this included water bottles, towels, protein bars, and other drinks such as water that they were selling to clients. Before this, I actually helped open the gym, so with all the lights and the radio system that they've got in there. I also helped answer some phone calls and was taught how to do that. Also, I helped to run an abs session for some older adults. So this just involved me shadowing the personal trainer and watching the different exercises that they were doing, how long they were doing them for, and different coaching points that they were given to the older adults in order to get the correct form. At the end of the day, I helped to close the gym, so this was locking up the building, ensuring that the alarms had been set, everything like that. And we also planned for the circuit session, which we'd be doing on Thursday. But on the fourth day, on the Thursday, I was shown how to set up direct debits and also how to set up induction forms for new clients, and also how to remove anyone who had cancelled their membership throughout the month. And then I helped the personal trainer to go and set up for the circuit training session that we had going on in the evening. So this took up most of my afternoon preparing the equipment and making sure that it had been tested so it was safe for all the clients. And then I helped to run the circuit training session. So this was an hour session, and we had around 12 adults who had come in and do some circuits with us. So I shadowed the circuit training session for that one, and I watched how long each station was for the adults on which exercises they'd be doing, and what equipment that was used during the session. I also then helped to switch off the sauna and the steam rooms and clean down the gym at the end of the day, so it was ready for the next day on the Friday. The final day, I put together on everything I'd learned throughout the week, and I'd completed, so I shadowed some more personal training sessions. I went over the gym and cleaned the gym equipment, tested the gym equipment, once again helped to maintain and control the sauna and the steam rooms, made sure that the changing rooms were in good condition for the clients who were coming in. We found the winner for the promotional social media post and invited them to come and claim their prize. I helped to set up a direct debit on the company system. I answered some more phone calls with some queries that some clients had about the classes which were going on throughout the week. I helped to do the stock rotation, and at the end of the day, and finish with I closed the gym. And that was my week finished.